Wait, what is DFN?
Tails never fails.
Tails, yo, Medi, get in the fucking gamba, dude.
These fucking nuts.
Got him, dude.
LMAO. Got him. He's making little buttholes.
No, they're not buttholes, dude.
Not with that attitude.
Yo,
Only
Brit.
eat caramel.
What's up, Brit? Why is that? Why is that blue?
Cock rings.
Cock rings. Get in the fucking gamba,
Anything
dude.
can be a butthole with imagination.
Wait, is it ready? Is it ready to flip?
At Spartan 1640 Amen.
Honestly, I'm a pro bagel maker now.
Dude, you're absolutely crushing it here.
They do be looking like buttholes,
Are
though.
you gonna boil in baking soda?
No, this is a tasty recipe, Bino.
They remind me of those fresh mini donuts covered in sugar cinnamon they sell at festivals.
We're gonna need more flour.
Ready, flip the flip.
Yeah, true,
Practice
mate.
for later.
All right, let me flip it. Yeah, Bino, this is a 2-ingredient bagel recipe that's actually 4 ingredients, and it gets baked.
Yeah, those fresh mini donuts covered in sugar cinnamon at festivals. Good call, Mako.
Sounds like shit.
It is,
You're
dude.
having too
Also,
much fun with that hole. Flip the flip.
dude, I washed this apron. I washed. Look at that stain on there, dude. I washed this.
So curious.
I washed it yesterday.
Oh, dude.
Caramel.
That apron looks like.
Wait, I'm flipping the coin, and then I'll
Flip the
call
flip.
Egypt.
Washed it in dirt.
Hold on, dude.
Did you clean your pants with this apron? What is your tattoo?
No, dude.
Why
It's.
K-E-Z?
Looks like he got washed in the herring bowl.
You stupid.
Was that hogs?
All have been refunded. YW. I don't lose
Hold on.
my 12 points. Wait.
Give me a countdown.
All
I
right.
question
You want
everything
5 or
about
10?
your cleaning.
5.
Thank you,
Fine.
Vito.
Here we go, Aiden. 5, 4,
This is for the coin flip.
2,
Some.
1.
Yeah.
When?
Heads.
Who had heads?
Certified heads. Pay it out, dude. I can't see who was on which side.
Yo. Told
got it?
ya. Wow.
Who the fuck got it, dude?
Sig. Heads, EZ,
Proper?
clap. New coin flip app. Let's go.
No, I've had this one. I've had this one, but it's I switch it up sometimes.
Head CZ.
How many points was in there? Who got that shit, dude? Other than Propa. And why can't I? Let me see if I can turn the badges back on. Are there options in this shit?
Like 7K.
Oh, that's kind of
I won 32
appearance.
points. I got a nice
It's a nice
payout.
payout.
Hell yeah, dude.
RS.
Okay, let's keep rolling these.
What toppings for the bagels are y'all using?
So, Brit,
I'm gonna
we got
put it on
pineapple.
all my